Seriously.
Welcome to the GTP warehouse.
We are excited to be here. Like, so excited. Can you please show us around?
I have a special way to show you around. And this is where it all begins. I'm going to hand you off to Nikki.
The first step is we will reweigh the material. So the material will be put on a pallet and then it will be weighed on a scale. After the material is weighed, we would then sample it. So we would open up the lids on the drums and we would pick pieces out, and then they will be put into a furnace and fired at 1,000 degrees for 96 hours. Smile throughout the day.
I would say the best thing that makes me smile is probably working with my coworkers, being able to give them tasks to make them efficient on a day-to-day basis.
What makes you smile throughout your day?
Oh, it's got to be the coworkers. There's always a wise owl in the group, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are we? Pretty cool place.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the Saratoga warehouse. Would you like to look around? Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the receiving area where the parts come in from outside. They come in here and we'll open the boxes.
So what's the next step?
We take our product and we put it on the shelf. Is it all manual here?
No, we have a computerized.
Who are
Who are
you?
you? I'm Dave. I'm here picking smalls, and these are my pick tickets. I from the printer, and I'll take them over to my card. This is the card that I work with. My number here matches this number. Then circle, check mark, and then I'll write 2 and 10.
What makes you smile throughout your day?
All my coworkers, camaraderie.
What makes you smile throughout your day?